Once the assessment structure has been built and controls have been assigned to users, you and your team can begin working through the list of controls under the Assignments area on the Answer Risk Controls page. When the screen loads, all the controls will be listed broken down by their associated asset and tier. Next to each control, you will see its implementation status, which you'll notice is unanswered for all of them. The page filter defaults to display controls that are unanswered, so you can jump in and start working on controls that haven't been touched yet. Your main task is to designate each control as having been implemented, not applicable, or in progress or currently being worked on. To set the status for a control, click the Details button next to it. Now you can set the status for the control in the available implementation options. You also have fields to provide additional information about the control, as well as uploading any supporting documentation that might be applicable. Once you're finished with the control, you can either click Save and Close to retain your changes and close the window, or you can click Save and Next to retain your changes and move to the next control on the list so you can continue working. Once you have finished working the list or have reached a stopping point, you can click Save and Close. The window will close and the list of controls will refresh to show you what's left that needs your attention. If you need to go back and make changes to a control that you've already answered, simply uncheck the Unanswered filter field and click Apply. The page will refresh, your controls will appear, and you can go back and make any necessary changes.